What's going on, everybody? It's the Creative Fro, checking back in for another episode of What I Wish I Knew Wednesday. And today, what I wanted to talk to everybody about is B-roll, and why I wish I knew about it when I first started out. Before we dive into today's topic, let me remind you real quick to hit the big red subscribe button if you have yet to already, and also turn that notification bell on just for fun. B-roll in filmmaking is supplemental or alternative footage intercut in between the main shot. B-roll is captured to enrich your story and to have extra footage when you're going into post-production. Instead of only featuring a talking headshot in your video, you'll want to use extra photos and video clips that you can cut away to in that video that will help bring more dimension to the story. I really wish I knew about B-roll shots when I first started out, because let's say, for example, you're shooting a tutorial or a product review. Now, when you're doing this product review, instead of having me stand up or sit down in front of the camera, just talking the whole time about the product while I hold it in my hands, instead, we can use me talking about the product and cut away as I'm still speaking to close-up shots of the product itself, maybe highlighting the textures, the features it has, how to use the product, or anything that will help sell or help the viewer understand how the product works. And this is really going to help the viewer get a stronger knowledge and visual demonstration of the product itself. And B-roll shots don't only apply to product videos. You can use them in corporate videos too as well. Say you're shooting a talking headshot of the owner of a business. While they're speaking about their business, you can have extra photos and videos that shows behind the scenes of the business, or showing an example of what it would be like if you were a customer inside the store looking around for yourself, or how the process works behind the scenes. You can use it in vlogs if you were talking about your trip that you just recently had. As you're speaking about that trip, you can put up photos that you've taken during the trip, or video clips if you have that too as well. Even if you're doing a tutorial video, B-roll shots can really help bring the message home, like the tutorial we're gonna shoot this upcoming Sunday. And we'd like you guys to join us along for the ride. I'll dive behind the camera and show you how to record a tutorial and get those B-roll shots to help tell the story. So that's it for today's topic on B-roll. I hope you have a better understanding of what it does and how you can use it for your videos. And don't forget to join us back here this upcoming Sunday for Fireside Tech, where I'll be showing you how to put B-roll into action. Please like the video if you did, comment down below if there's anything you wish you knew, and share this video if you think it could help somebody. I will see you next Wednesday for another episode of What I Wish I Knew. Until then, keep creating.